What is going on, guys? Welcome back to iTrustStream. Sorry, I'm going to take those off real quick. Welcome back to iTrustStream. I'm just doing some research here on the web, and today we're going to be talking about the Xiaomi TV stick, the Mi TV stick. I'm talking like we're looking at this sucker right now, and just caught wind of it. I wanted to do a little bit of research to kind of see what was kind of going on. I mean, we all know that the Xiaomi Mi box is a great alternative to the Fire Stick if you're wanting Android TV. Also, has been pretty much talking about how the Mi box is also a great alternative to the Fire Stick just due to the price. I think everywhere the Mi box, let's see. We're gonna go over here to the computer real quick. I'm gonna grab these bad boys real so I can actually see. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna be talking about the stick. And I kind of wanted to show you what the stick looked like. This is the stick. Stick looks good. It's got it looks like a Netflix button and a live button. That could be like live TV. Tiny little stick. We're gonna get into the specs in just a little bit. I wanted to talk about the price point because the price point earlier was that people were talking that this could possibly be like a $70 product. Right now, what I wanted to show you is that on Banggood is advertising this, the Xiaomi Mi TV stick quad core, 1 gigabyte of RAM. What? Wait, one? Only one? 1 gigabyte of RAM, 8 ROM, Bluetooth 4.2, 5G, Wi-Fi, Android 9, which is great, display dongle, 2K, HDR support, Dolby, DTS, Netflix, and it does have a Google Assistant option. So we can kind of see right here. One of the things that I did realize is that, and notice is that everyone's been talking about RAM lately. This will only have a 1 gig of RAM based off Banggood's site. Earlier, it was showing a higher price. Also, it says coming soon. So I kind of want to bring up this discussion because over on their website, they're not even advertising it at all. We just see the Mi box, the Mi Box S, the Mi laser projector. They got smart devices, home stuff, but this is their actually Mi.com. Mi.com is not showing any of this. Also, kind of wanted to show you if you go to the Mi box is pretty much everywhere. $50 right here. You can clearly see that it's $50. I kind of want to open up a couple posts from 9to5 Google. 9to5 is very repertory when it comes to information. Behind the competition Android TV platform is finally starting to add up more options for HDMI dongles. Now it looks that the Xiaomi is gearing up to launch a new Android TV stick with Xiaomi's Mi TV stick. A listing for the Xiaomi TV sticks popped up on the store for online retailer Gears Best. So Gears Best has this also. So we go ahead and open up Gears Best. Banggood, Gears Best, very similar. I wanted to kind of show you what they're talking about when it comes to specs. The specifications of the Mi TV stick are the same as the Mi Box S, which was launched in the US in 2018. Furthermore, the product listing does not include price and information, but Gears Best search shows as high as $80. So see if it's even there. So up into $72. Wow, you can find this anywhere. Guys, don't be fooled by some of these sites. These sites, their prices are freaking ridiculous. You can see like how expensive. Don't ever pay $72 for a Mi box. I mean, you can find this crap for a lot cheaper here at Target locally. Here at Target sold. Wow, that's not really good reviews. But anyways, Banggood is listed this as 1 gigabyte of RAM, but a lot of these bloggers are saying that it's going to have the M-Logic S905Y2 version, quad-core processor, and the Mali G31 GPU. 2 gigs of RAM right here, guys. 2 gigs of RAM. 8 gigabytes of storage. It is a basic setup, but it should perform. Dude, everyone's doing this M-Logic. Like a lot of companies are going with the M-Logic Y2s. And right here, it's being listed right here, 20% off. Listed at $80. You can get as low as probably $50. The Mi stick. Let's go over to Android headlines. Android headlines says that Xiaomi is expected to soon launch an Android TV-based streaming stick called the Mi TV Stick. While there is no official confirmation from this company, which we confirmed over here, there's nothing, the Mi.com posting about a release of a TV stick. The specifications are the same. The specifications of the Mi TV sticks are the same as the Mi Box S, which was launched in the US. Yes, we've seen this before. Although it's not official pricing, Gears Best is showing around $59 US, which is $50 here. So I kind of want to bring up for discussion, would you guys like to see, I mean, if they're trying to say that they're promoting, if they're trying to say that they're going to be promoting this as like as a stick version, I think the box should have more. At least release the box, 4 gigs of RAM, release the stick, 2 gigs of RAM, the box at $80, the sticks at $49.99. I mean, this is where I'm seeing it. 16 gigs of ROM, 32 gigs of ROM possibly on the box. Bump up that box, ask for more money from the consumer because you're giving a little bit more bang, I guess, in the back. But when it comes to the stick, I mean, if this is a typo from Banggood, then I really hope so, because this will not survive. 1 gig of RAM will not survive in today's market. So I wanted to bring this up for discussion. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the Xiaomi possible TV stick. Will it compete? If they can get this stuff in stores, I mean, in Target and Walmart, which they're known to be in, is Target and also Walmart. If they were to get into Best Buy and be right on the shelves with the Fire TV stick, you got the TiVo and this. What is going to be the difference between this versus the TiVo? I mean, when it comes to, say, if the price point was to change. I mean, the TiVo's got the TiVo Stream app. There's so many different variations. It looks very, very similar. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. But I honestly think that this is a typo. Why would they come out with anything less than 2 gigs? I mean, this is slower than the Fire Stick. So I mean, if this is the specifications, and Banggood and Gears Best and all them got the specifications correct, I mean, it's not even on their main website, but it's a possibility. So if it does have 2 gigabytes, would you guys mess with it? If it has 1 gigabyte, I highly suggest you pass it on this device, guys. This is iTrustStream. Until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later.